Okay, so now I have my camera flash on. We're going to see if we can see some of those. Oh, focus. Iridescent colors in there. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that, guys. Wowee. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. I love these iridescents, or interference colors. Isn't that amazing? Wow. What do you think? That is absolutely stunning. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So, wanted you to see that. Now you got to. Cool, huh? I kind of like it. It's not that bad, even though it was a fail. Not that bad. Too much fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time.